Guys, our destinations is from Kentucky to California, but today we are now in Utah and we're gonna drop by some stuffs here. And I heard some friend who is a blogger trying to catch up with me, and we will see if she could. So we'll see. So we're going to park here, one of the travel center here in Utah. We have some Uber to pick up us and go somewhere for a couple of hours to have some stuff with us. So here we just got here in the travel center and we'll wait for the Uber. Okay, we are in the Uber now. Hello, sweetheart.
Hello.
So we are in the Uber and we're going to the Salt Lake
Temple Square.
Okay.
With all the construction going on.
Oh, that's on top of that.
Yeah.
They never have traffic here, but now in summer they.
Temple still working. So we're gonna go and where are we going? A dessert store.
We're going to the dessert.
Yeah.
We're gonna buy some.
So windy.
My heart. Oh my gosh, take courage, my heart.
So that's it. We are here in the Deseret bookstore, and that's my husband. Goes to the cashier. So we are in the cities, but I don't know if I have already these all cities. I have already all these cities, so cities. We just dropped by here for a couple of hours. Hubby bought some stuff for him. That's the beautiful Rachel Carbajal.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
I wish I am really a beautiful.
Yeah, she's a beautiful one. She's a blogger, and if you guys missed to subscribe her channel, don't forget to subscribe her channel, Rachel Carbajal 1234.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe.
So we're done in here in the bookstore, Deseret bookstore. So we're gonna go here in somewhere here in the restaurant. That's the temple construction on the go. Underwear. we're going to cross this street, going to the temple square there, that building. and the Happy is over there. Oh, we're gonna see here. That's the locations of the temple. And where that one? See that one there? Gonna sit there. Okay. That's Raisa.
The temple is under construction right now. You can look. They're digging the mud, and there's a hole there for the temple. How do you call that? Foundation. Look at that.
Oh, that one there in the underground. That one there, guys. There's big. So here, the other side, and over there. Oh wow.
You guys are free to come in and take a look around. If you have any questions, let us know. Sure. Where are you coming from? Oh, I'm from the Philippines. Wonderful. Yeah. I got here last October. Because I got married. We didn't have to buy. That's right. Yep. So are you living in Utah now? Yeah, I'm living here. Yeah. Where are you guys from? I'm from Minnesota. Indiana. You guys.
Hello. We're gonna go closer. So this is the Assemble Hall of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. There are different languages. English, Spanish. There's a temple
square over there.
Guys, this is where the conference is. This is the temple square. So we're gonna can I go closer there?
Yes, you can closer. Yeah.
So I'm gonna go closer there.
I can make a picture of you both.
Sure. What's your name?
Is it you?
What's your name, sister? What's your name?
See, this is sister
What's your name?
Mueller. I have to make this. Huh? Hello? I make it.
Yeah, what's your name, sister?
Bella. Okay, Miller.
Okay.
Bella. Photo. Photo.
Oh, photo, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. These look like I'm very close to. So this one here is the entrance again. And there's the Mormon Tabernacle Choir. That is time to be founded. So that. What is this? Oregon Historical Society. And this one here, Landmark of American Music, Mormon Tabernacle Choir. That's for today. We're gonna go off here and go somewhere. Where?
Oh, that is
Yeah.
the conference center.
So we're gonna go there.
Salt Lake Conference Center.
Can we go in there?
Yeah, we're gonna go there.
There, guys, we're gonna hear left side. So they have the organized visitor way of visitor going there.
10 minutes.
See that? So guys, I think the one that I point the building there is very near. No, we take a walk. So I think we're gonna cross the street. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, this one here is the temple building, right? Under construction. So we'll see. So we're gonna cross, guys. Another cross. You need to walk, run, and then we're gonna. That's the temple. That's the
Conference center.
conference center. So we're gonna go in there. I'm gonna show you there. Okay. So we will go there in the conference center. Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So this is conference center.
Sa ubos na. Hi guys, this is the conference center of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Let's go and watch it.
Let's go. So we are here in the conference center and of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. There. So, this is the conference center. It's a long way. How can I get there?
To the bottom,
Yeah.
you can go out these doors and there will be an escalator, and
Oh
then
my.
you can turn right and it'll lead right into this. These
Oh my
doors
gosh.
there.
No, I went. It's a long.
Oh, there she is. She's going down to see. I don't know what she's going to see. It's just all over there. The organ. Okay. There she is. Hey, Scott is calling. Your husband is calling. Your husband. Your husband only give you 15 minutes. I know you ever like 20 minutes here. 25 minutes.
I'm guys. The conference, some people go there up, right in the balcony.
Yeah.
There. Up there. So the one that I introduced you is the base.
The basement.
This is for today, and I hope you enjoyed about the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.
Love you guys.
Bye. So that's all the conference center.